Guide to Making a Career in Digital Marketing. Many traditional marketing professionals are increasingly shifting to digital marketing. The scope of this field is just growing by the day. It is one of the best career paths to consider if you are interested in marketing. Since the Internet's inception, our lives have become increasingly digital. Initially created for knowledge sharing among universities and centers of learning, it has now become an integral part of our daily existence. From essential tasks like shopping for groceries to indulging in entertainment and travel planning, the Internet is now a common tool used by everyone. This digitalization shows no signs of slowing down, as evidenced by the emergence of virtual reality systems and the metaverse.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The marketing industry has also adapted to this trend, giving rise to the era of digital marketing. Organizations now prioritize allocating more resources to digital marketing over traditional methods. This modern form of marketing has quickly dominated various industries, rendering other modes of marketing outdated. Its exceptional reach and precise targeting capabilities have propelled it ahead of its predecessors. Evolution of marketing. The invention of the Gutenberg press in the early 15th century was a huge stride forward for the human race as a whole. For the first time in history, literary masterpieces were available easily to the common public. For a long, literacy and the knowledge you could gain from books were restricted to the higher classes of society. The fact that this coincided with the Industrial Revolution is highly significant. Again, for the first time in history, products were being manufactured on a large scale with the help of machines. This had also led to the formation and/or population of several cities, including London. Over centuries, literacy levels among the general population increased exponentially due to dime novels and penny week letters, opening up opportunities for marketing mass-produced products. Print media emerged in the 18th century, enabling print marketing through newspapers, newsletters, flyers, and banners. The mid-20th century witnessed the dominance of television as the primary medium for commercial consumption. However, the advent of the Internet in the 21st century ushered in the era of digital media and digital marketing. The Internet revolutionized marketing by offering limitless options and slots, unlike the limited availability of print media and television. It also provided the ability to target specific demographics with precision, which was challenging with traditional mediums. The Internet surpasses the combined scope of print media and television. It offers numerous marketing options and platforms, along with extensive analytical data for precise demographic targeting. This results in increased efficiency and reduced costs for companies, fueling the rapid growth of digital media over the past 2 decades. What is digital marketing? Like any other form of marketing, the premise of digital marketing is simple. Companies have a product to sell, they attempt to do so by engaging customers in the hope of making the sale. The difference here is the choice of medium. The Internet provides a digital space that is vast and almost bottomless, leading to a wide range of options in the methods as well as the platforms on which this engagement can be pursued. This makes digital marketing the most versatile and flexible mode of marketing, and the use of creativity has a huge impact on the overall impact that it can generate. Digital marketing can therefore be described as the use of the Internet for the promotion of brands in a digital space to connect with potential customers with the intent of making sales. This includes the use of images, videos, and text communication. Every marketing campaign that employs digital communication would be considered digital marketing. Different facets of digital marketing. There are various kinds of digital marketing jobs available in the market. This is based on a specific inclination of skills to curate a certain style of marketing. Apart from the roles and modes mentioned below, there are other modes like influencer marketing, digital marketing management, etc., which depend on the mastery of expertise on the below-mentioned roles to an extent, combined with a knack for marketing. To become a digital marketing specialist, one must have a thorough grip over one of these facets and enough to hold water over the other facets. Have a look at these digital marketing job positions to understand the right place for you to work in digital marketing. Filled circle email marketing. Email marketing is a tool that is somewhere in between direct marketing and digital marketing. It is the use of email to promote products or services offered by an enterprise. It helps engage potential and regular clients with the latest developments in the product offered. It also helps rake in more business by making customers aware of any latest offers that are available. It also plays other pivotal roles such as lead generation, creating brand awareness, and maintaining a relationship with clients. This is an entry-level foray into digital marketing. This is a good place to start if you are a fresher, as very basic prerequisite qualifications are required for this role. This is a great place to start your career in digital marketing if you are looking to learn everything. Filled Circle SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a process that seeks to increase the visibility of a website and its products in search results of popular search engines when users are searching for terms relevant to the said business. Higher visibility on search engines leads to a higher chance of page visits, which translates to potential customers who are checking out your product. This in turn would convert to higher closed sales. The most common way through which users discover and access products are through organic search results. Therefore, it is important to develop a good SEO strategy for any business. This is done focusing on Google bots which crawl through every web page and the links available on it. A good organic search response is crucial for the long-term success of any company operating in the digital space. This is one of the biggest chunks of digital marketing. Organic searches are every company's long-term goal. Therefore, various other parts of digital marketing go towards improving SEO. This makes SEO a crucial responsibility and is apt for anyone looking for responsibility in a career in digital marketing. Filled Circle SEM. Search engine marketing, or SEM, is the use of paid promotion strategies to increase visibility in search engine search results. Here, brands can pay for listing their ad containing site links as part of search engine results. This is done by targeting select keywords which are deemed to be relevant to the business or the products and services offered. Furthermore, the payment is based on clicks, i.e., the company is billed as per the number of clicks and not the number of views. This is a segmented part of SEO and can be described as inorganic but search traffic. It is a nice place to start for beginners looking for a career in marketing. Filled Circle Content Writing. Content writing is a research-based writing style tailored for digital marketing. It involves research, planning, writing, editing, and review. It encompasses various writing assignments such as blog posts, articles, banner ads, video and voiceover scripts, social media updates, and more. Additionally, content writers play a vital role in crafting website content, including details about the business, products, services, industry, and employees. They are essential for generating leads and driving sales in digital marketing, making them a crucial component of the process. Despite its importance, content writing is often underrated in the digital marketing field. All organic marketing has content writing at its core, as it effectively acts as the voice of the company. It is a good place for a career in digital marketing for those who have an interest in research and writing. Filled Circle Copywriting. Copywriting in a gist is a one-line sales pitch. It is a short text with the ability to state the product offered and provide a call to action to the client and persuade him into a purchase. It helps in the process of convincing clients that the product is worth buying. It is often called an art, the art of persuasion leading to sales-related action on part of the client. A good piece of copy must change the prospective client's response to your product from, "Should I buy it?" "Do I need it?" to, "Where can I get that?" "How can I get that?" Product taglines and clickbait headlines are good examples of copywriting texts. This is the basis of almost all inorganic digital marketing mediums. It is a good place for a career in digital marketing for those with an affinity towards writing and the ability to be creative. Filled Circle Social Media Marketing. Social media marketing, SMM, involves using social media platforms to promote products and services, engage with customers, and reach new audiences. It allows companies to showcase their culture, mission, and tone. SMM provides data analytics tools for tracking marketing success. Marketers utilize various tactics on social media websites to promote content and encourage user engagement. Detailed user information on social networks helps tailor messages for better resonance with the target audience. Because audiences can be better segmented than more traditional marketing channels, companies can ensure they focus their resources on the audience that they want to target using social media marketing. It is a more specialized career in digital marketing, as keeping track of social media trends is a task in itself. Filled Circle Advertising Online. The field of advertising has changed significantly over the past few decades, with digital advertising taking a dominant role in digital marketing. With the help of data and analytics available to digital marketers, it is possible to curate and create very targeted advertisements for the desired demographic. There is the ability to understand their clients more and hence use this knowledge to cater to the desires of their clients to advertise effectively. One example of this is FOMO advertising, which preys on the fear of missing out on people to coax them into buying the product. This is the place to have a career in digital marketing if you are creative and are interested in the field of advertising. Scope of a career in digital marketing. The digital marketing scope is something that has been exponentially growing ever since the internet became available to the masses. It is estimated that more than 20% of the population spends almost their entire day online. This has led rise to an increase in the digital presence of brands to stay relevant and competitive. Furthermore, digital marketing can be a very specific and topical kind of marketing strategy with the use of data and analytics to target very specific demographics with varied strategies. This has led to very specific job requirements and roles to arise within the sphere of digital marketing. According to analytics from 2019, more than $190 billion was being spent on mobile ads alone. This increased to exponentially higher levels with the onset of the pandemic. This is a clear indicator that digital marketing is here to stay and is going to be the #1 mode of marketing in the future. This acts as a guarantee to the digital marketing scope. Various digital marketing roles, as mentioned above, are being invested in by companies who have realized the power of the digital space. This means there will be a higher digital marketing scope in future. Furthermore, the potential of digital marketing career growth is very high as there is an increasing demand for experienced quality professionals in this arena. A career in digital marketing looks like a smart choice for anyone interested in working in any of its many facets and for anyone possessing the relevant skills to have a successful career in digital marketing.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.